What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use any font into WordPress website in the part 3. Now we're gonna be assigning the font to the proper elements. We did learn how to upload the custom font, how to download and where to download, how to install this plugin, get the API key and do the settings. Now we're gonna move to this tab that is the most important one and the final part of our series, called assign font. This is gonna be adding the font to the proper elements because, as I have shared in the end of the part 2 video, we do upload the font, but the font isn't appearing into the site front end. So we need to go right here, select the font name that we did type it while uploading our custom font, and now we need to select the elements that gonna be loading the font. For example, in the case that I want to make this font loadable in some menus, in some body, and into the heading titles, we need to assign right here. And for menus, we need to use the WordPress native menu option to assign the font as well. But as you can see, we can also apply custom elements in CSS in the case that we want. And as soon as we assign, we have no option to edit this font. We just can delete. And as you can see, the font is already working into the native. H1, H2, H3, H4, H6, and H5 headings. We did not assign it to work into the body elements, but we can apply it into the menu using the hashtag menu video tutorial class into the menu classes to call the fonts as well. In the case that we want to apply this font into another options, we need to do another assign font and select other parts, for example, body or site identity. Simple, fast, and easy. This is gonna tell to your WordPress and to the plugin where to display your font and make it simple for you to sort things out. And it is. The font is now loadable. We can delete this, assign, delete this font, upload another one in the case that you need. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes with full compatibility to this plugin and many others. And don't forget to check the other 2 parts of our series. And I see you later. All the best!